Deleting an app's cache is a go-to troubleshooting step that pretty much everyone recommends, but how exactly do you do it in the case of Discord if you want to try and see if that maybe solves whatever problem you're having? Well, we'll be going over exactly how you do that in today's video, starting off with how you do it on Windows. Now, what you want to do first is look up the run program within Windows and then click open. Then in the window that pops up, enter appdata and then hit enter. This will open up Windows Explorer in the appdata folder, and from there you want to click on the roaming folder. Then look for the Discord folder within that, and once you found it, go inside. There you'll find several cache related folders, so select them all and then hit delete to delete them. Then just simply run Discord again and see if it helped. Now let's go over exactly how you do it on Android. Now the steps are going to look slightly different depending on what exact flavor of Android you have from what manufacturer, but we will be sticking to the most popular one, that being the Android skin supplied by Samsung, to show you exactly how it's done. Simply just a long hold on the Discord icon until this little menu pops up, and then from there tap on the little I in the top right. Next up, scroll down a bit until you see a storage button and you want to tap on that. And in this next menu, you'll be given the options to clear data and clear cache at the very bottom, so make sure to tap on both. Then once again, open up Discord and see if that has helped. Now finally on iPhone, the thing is that you can't really delete the cache of any app like you can on literally every single other operating system. So here you just have to uninstall the whole app. So just simply find Discord on it and then long hold on the icon, then select remove app, which should be the topmost option in this pop-up, and then confirm your choice after that. So that's exactly how you can delete the cache on Windows and Android, and how you can kind of do it on iPhone by just deleting the whole app. Again, it is usually something that can fix a lot of different issues you may have with any app, including Discord, so it's worth a try if you're having any kind of technical issues. If it's still persisting, then you may want to get in touch with Discord to see what else they can suggest to try and solve your problems. But that's just a basic troubleshooting step you can take in the meantime. So if this video was helpful, then maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.